Today, I bought a new type of mushroom from market.
I wash it and prepared some masala from mustard, chili, cumin, onion, garlic, and onion. Then fry the mushroom. Then put the masala in the kadai. You know what? I am a very foodie person like you all. I like mushroom masala very much. Then add haldi and some homemade secret masala and tomato. Then kasuri methi and add water and boil it. Then grind some coriander leaves and put it to increase the taste of the curry. Coriander leaves is the game changer.
Oh wow,
here.
our curry is here ready.